What really happened? Was it planned? Was there a cover-up attempt? And was it legal? Inquiring minds want to know.
Hey guys, check it out. All right, got my grits going on here. Nice and thick, just like it should be. Hey guys, it's Scott, coming at you straight from Lions Again once again. Here you go. So this is my initial run outdoors with the HYKER stove. It's an awesome kick butt stove. If you guys watched the last few videos, you can see I really do enjoy it. One side note to this, on this tree table, get one from Smoke Eater, okay? I bought this at the dollar store and made it into one, and it's just out of plastic. Brother Rich over there at Green Videos, Bushman of the Yukon, he made it very clear: use felt underneath these stoves because it gets super hot. You know, at the wire stands, he had a problem with them melting in. I took it as advice, and I normally use them, but this having the base that it has, I decided to try it like this, just see what would happen. And you know, I mean, because it's only cost me $1. However, it did warp it, and it warped it pretty significantly here at the corners. I'm going to try to straighten it out a little bit, but best bet, just get one from Robbie over at Smoke Eater 908. That's a hint, Robbie. You need to send me one, brother. Anyways, well, this is my initial review of the HYKER stove outside. It's kick butt. It's awesome. It's really great. Guys should go over to Smoke Eater 908's YouTube channel. I'll have a link in the descriptions for that. For the co-op page, they're at it's outdoortrailgear.com. Go over there, check him out, see what he's got. He'll take care of you guys. Okay, thanks for coming along for the ride, and I'll see you on the next adventure.
The only way to bag a classy lady is to give her 2 tickets to the gun show.